The moving life stories of two Dayanands reveal their indomitable courage. While the first Dayanand from rural Delhi had a history of drug abuse, the second Dayanand was a victim of alcohol. As recovering addicts, both had a common mentor, Sunil Vatsyayan, first in Navjyoti Delhi Police Foundation and later with NADA India. Both Dayanands had graduated from what a journalist called the University of Pain and had faced social rejection, stigma, and discrimination. They volunteered to become peer support counselors and worked hard in empowering their peers. Till the first Dayanand died at 39 of cancer and Dayanand Sharma of AIDS at the age of 46.
मैं सिक्स क्लास में पढ़ता था तो
When I
ऐसे
was in sixth class, there were some boys who used to smoke. One day I joined them and had a smoke. I felt terrible for a couple of days. I was scared of my parents and elders. I was afraid that they would know what I was doing. Then I had for the first time tasted drugs. Those boys had emptied a cigarette and filled it with heroin. There were 6 or 7 of us smoking heroin and enjoying the experience. Slowly it became a daily habit for us to smoke or chase pure or adulterated heroin known as smack.
बहुत इंजॉय आया उस टाइम फिर मेरी एक्टिविटी पे ज़्यादा जोर देने लगी
Our
पेरेंट्स
dosage of
मेरे
intake was also increasing day by day. My parents were suspicious and kept a watch on my activities. I demanded money from them under one pretext or the other. So they were convinced that I was an addict. They would send me out of our village to keep me away from drugs. But once back in the company of my friends, I would start again. So we became addicts when we were in school, and we never thought of our future. The number of addicts also went up, and at one point of time there were more than 50 in our group in the village. I was married by then, and my wife was concerned about my addiction. She pleaded with me to leave drugs. Her brother had told her that there was treatment for addiction. My wife wanted me to go for treatment. Medical intervention was considered to be the only one for treating addiction. But we at Navjyoti had realized that addiction is a biopsychosocial and spiritual
तो
problem.
मैं बाहर निकला फिर डे केयर
I started going to the Navjyoti daycare center. My parents would give me money for travel to go there, but I will use that money to buy drugs.
और अब की बार हमारे को नशे से नहीं लेना है। हमारे को जब भी हमारे अंदर आशा आई, होप आई, हमारे अंदर ऑनेस्टी आई, ओपननेस हमारे अंदर आई।
पहले मेरी माँ को मालूम हुआ था।
Except my mother, I faced discrimination from everyone, including doctors. In the hospital, I was branded with a tag of HIV positive.
बहनों के व्यवहार में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं आया। फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ये लगा कि मेरे बहन या बहनों में से कुछ अपने बच्चों को अलग।
तो क्या किस करने से एड्स उन्हें हो सकता है?
I was interviewed as an HIV positive person along with Mr. Sunil Vatsyayan by a popular FM station. The anchor was very empathetic and he even kissed my hands. He said, "You don't get AIDS by kissing an infected person." I also worked with workers in the unorganized sector and through NADA, later with the Central Board of Workers' Education on workplace prevention for the families of the workers. A proud Dayanand at his 8th recovery birthday. He was lauded for being an inspiration for his peers. A cake was cut and everyone danced. He says that he is now enjoying life and is taking up responsibilities. He spends time with his 2 sons and speaks about the importance of family values. Dayanand was guided at every point by his mentor Sunil Vatsyayan. He was also introduced to new techniques like AccuDetox in helping his peers. the narrow, congested bylines of Sarai Rohilla in India's national capital, New Delhi. The police station here was unique as it housed Navjyoti Delhi Police Foundation, a drug treatment center. Recovering persons trained in Navjyoti in peer support counseling under a UN Odyssey program helped them to start treatment centers in many parts of North India. This also led to social entrepreneurship by recovering addicts. The establishment of ARPAN, Association of Recovering People's Action Network, led to concerted action by them in peer support programs.
एक संस्था को कैसे सेटअप किया जाए, ये बहुत सारी चीजें उनको सिखाई गई.
The visit of Dr. Michael O. Smith, founder of NADA International, to Navjyoti was the beginning of a new intervention in the treatment program in Navjyoti and later in many drug treatment centers in India. Dr. Smith and NADA India have popularized acute detox programs in many a jail. Sabarmati Jail in Ahmedabad, Baroda Central Jail in Baroda, both in the state of Gujarat, Indore Jail in Madhya Pradesh, and Tihar Jail in Delhi, and in state police departments in India and Nepal. The NADA Acute Detox has also been introduced in the Border Security Force.
Because I was also wondering what type of thing it is and how far it can really take care, because there are so many other methods that's so expensive, so many people going for other things. But I had never realized that it can be so easy and so cheap and accessible, and at the same time economical, time saving, and can be applied anywhere, any place, anytime.
We did acupuncture in ourselves. Then at the time I feel very energetic. Then I feel relaxed.
जो कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे जो किया है,
one of India's premier paramilitary forces.
जब मेडिसिन नहीं मिली थी,
During his visit to India in early 2015, Dr. Smith assessed the activities of NADA India in the Mandi and Chhatarpur slum clusters. He was happy that NADA India training programs are interpersonal and down to earth, unlike training a group of urban youth with their elitist attitude. Here the trainers spend time in the community and understand their concerns. They in turn identify and train junior counselors. According to Dr. Smith, this is in tune with a WHO report on the food habits of the poor. NADA peer counselors help the people to prevent and cope with a number of non-communicable diseases. These include substance abuse, high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes. India's public service broadcasters, All India Radio and Doordarshan, and other channels and newspapers have prominently featured the NADA initiatives. Schools and other institutions have also opened their doors to promote peer education.
Thank you.